up guys, it's me George again, and I'm here with you. I have another quick unboxing of, I got a new PC case. It's called, from the brand Corsair, it's called Carbide Series Air 540 High Airflow PC case. Okay, so this is a mid-tower case, so it's it's not full size, but I like it because this was like cubic, so it's a different case for the PCs. But the most important thing for me is that, as you can see in the title, is a high airflow case. So this is designed based on getting the most air inside of the PC and the hot air out of the PC. And because I have a like my PC like almost in the corner of my room, I needed a higher airflow like this to keep all my temperatures cool down whenever I'm doing like video exporting or like image capturing. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside. So as you can see in the box already, we saw the front. Okay, and it says that it has some features for PC builders. Everything is like have sliders. It has some easy access for the DOS filters and stuff like that. Okay, so let's see on the back. Okay, on the back we have things such as all the components that are included here. It also includes 6 fans inside of it. It also has a tinted window, so you can show off your creation, and it has a lot of features and stuff like that. From the measurements, it said that it's made of steel, plastic, and polycarbonate, right? It has 2 140 millimeters intake fans, one exhaust fan, and 6 total fan mount location, and 180 millimeters maximum CPU cooler height. So you can put up to 180 millimeters maximum, the CPU height. So this is for ATX, mini ATX, and like the regular motherboards that you may find. Yeah, so without further ado, let's take a look inside at what is in the contents of the box. Okay, so I have my trusty knife in here. I couldn't find my actual usual commando knife, so I had to use this puny little knife. I'll have to take a look for it later. So I got this from Amazon for about 120 bucks. New is like 200. Okay, so as you can see from the top, it comes with a nice, like cloth bag and protected by the dry ice here. Okay, so let's take it out. Okay, so I'm going to need some force. Yep. Okay, I put it down so I can pull it. Almost. Okay, so it is. Yep, right there. Okay, so the rest of the box is empty. I'm going to put it aside and take it. Sorry for the directions. First one, and that's the second one. Okay, so this is the full size of the case. Let's take it out of the cloth. I ordered it in black. It also comes in silver and in white, in case you need something for your build. So I'm just replacing my case, and I also got a new power supply. Ooh, we got a screw. Okay, nothing else in the bag. Okay, so yeah. So here it is. This is the case. As you can see, it's more like a cubic form, less than a rectangular form. That is usually what you see. As you can see in the front, we have the Corsair logo, as well as some I/O on the front, 2 USB 3.1 super speed charging ports, separate microphone jack and audio jack, the power button. As you can see, also the LED for the hard disk, and a reboot. I think these are removable, so you can put some extensions in there. Okay, so we have some big grills in mesh in front and on the top, as you can see on the top camera. From the side, here we have another intake, but I believe that when I read about it, this is where you put the power supply. So the power supply usually sits facing down on the cases, but this one will put it on the side so you can exhaust the air better. On the back, you can see it has some exhaust fan, as well as some more grills. It has a lot of ports for the for all your connections, as well as the space for the power supply. as well as some space for more radiators or stuff like that. And on the side, we have the special thing that it's a black tinted window. It's a full-size flushed window that will look great with any build. Okay, so as you can see, we have some thumb screws, so you can easily change and replace the case, or change anything that you want. Okay, so let's take a look on the inside. And what do we have here? Okay, so the case is pretty solid and it's lightweight as well. Okay, so we have here some space for the ports, like the DVD drive or Blu-ray, whatever you have. The exhaust fans, the LED reset button, and all the I/O connections. Well, some more SATA cables, and it's made for easily, to have some clean builds. Like all the cable management is built right in, so you don't have to take a lot of effort to put the right cable management in here. So we have another tiny box in here, as I see. I think this is for the connections. Okay, so let me take it from the other side. Okay, so yeah, so this, as you can see, is like a pretty nice case. It's not that very expensive. Okay, so on this side, you can see we have sliders on this box that I think it's screwed on. Yeah, it seems like. So we have more. We have some zip ties. We have some screws and flush screws as well. Okay, so I like the rail system. It's a little bit flimsy in my opinion, but it looks great. And it has all the functions that you may need. Okay, so I like the sliders. We have two on each side, perfectly connected to the SATA cable, so you don't have any cables lying around here. We have on the inside, we have two Corsair, I think it's 120 millimeters, the intake fans from the top and the exhaust fan on the back. So as you can see, this is the whole case. You mount the motherboard in here, so you have a pretty nice build with a nice tinted window that you can show off your mod in here. Okay, so it's a little bit of fingerprint magnet, so you have to keep it clean. But I like it because it's stealth black. Oh, you can also remove by thumb screws the top radiator, the top mesh, so for easy cleaning. And you can also mount, I think, up to 180 millimeter radiator up top. So that's a great addition. And it's easily assembled again. I like it very much. So this is my first impression. I'm going to build my PC into this case. So let's hope for the best, right? So this was just a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Corsair, I don't remember the name, Corsair Air 540 higher airflow PC case. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe for more tech tips and see you in the next one.